A little bit about this, and then I will already show also what we're going to practice in this morning, which is a beautiful practice continuation of yesterday. Okay, so let's start before we're going into the new concept. One of the reasons that I really like shallow water is because I really feel, we work only with hands in the water. And we have not only hands, but we have also legs. So for this moment, I can put her head on my leg as if I use the pillow. I put another hand on it, I create some of the compression, and already with my thigh, I give like direction to the shoulder. So you can see how even just with one hand, I can create already very nice direction for the body. When I'm adding also the other hand and creating extra compression here with the shoulder, already I'm allowing much more points of contact. And then I can create a fulcrum that is more elaborated, more interesting, and can find fascinating thing that will start to awake in her body. Okay? And this is of course just one example, because we can take it into different directions. I want to show, before I'm moving to the other one, I'm really taking my extra time to also, from the fulcrum, I'm kind of like allowing everything to open in a gradual way, as if we are going in a spiral and we're coming out in a spiral, even when we are not just working on a certain point of the belly. When I'm having the option to sit, it's becoming even more interesting, because I can start to use both of my legs as directioning, and here I can be very creative, because I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4 limbs that I'm using. And then the concept of our friend the octopus can be more available for us, because people can really start to be a little bit more without really ability to understand where is the upper part, where is the lower part. And when they understand less, especially when they can understand with the with trust, they can surrender more. I'm lifting a little bit this hand, because I want to communicate to the other hand how does gravity feels like. So here she can feel some gravity happening, and the other hand that is without gravity can drop a little bit more. This is happening because the fascia system in our body is communicating between one hand to the other hand. And I will place also my hand on the top just to create another point of contact, and by that to allow more sense of stability in some point, and then from the sense of stability we can start to create more mobility in the other points. We're always thinking, or not thinking, but we are interacting with the sense of stability and mobility. Stability and mobility, they are compensating one another. And when we will have more stability in some places, we will actually have more mobility in other places. When we have a lot of mobility, we have very little stability, and that sometimes can be tricky. I will release now this area here. Great. Another thing that I can do, I can take one floater off, and then I'm just keeping her in the side position that I'm such a big fan of.